BZH here from BigZachsHouse, and today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial and some information on how to live stream using your new GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. This is one of my favorite features of the camera, the webcam feature that I plan on using a lot. First step is having your GoPro Quick app up and having your GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition connected to your phone. The GoPro Hero 9 Black webcam live streaming feature allows you to stream on 5 different platforms, or 5 different options I should say. It has the GoPro.com feature, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and then an other feature which I'm not really going to explore that much because I don't use any other social media platforms. I've also heard some rumors that there are some issues with the YouTube streaming service to brand accounts, so I'm also going to make a video on that, a separate video. Alright, now that my GoPro and my phone are connected, you're going to scroll left all the way over, and you're going to hit the Setup Live button. From here you have your different options: GoPro, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and other. We're going to do Twitch, and then it's going to search for networks. It's going to give you the options. So I already have my network in here. I made it easier. I already put all my information in there. And then it's going to give you the game, or the title, description, resolution. You can do whatever you want, and then it's going to stream. So we're just going to do a little test here. GoPro, go. And then we're going to do 1080, but as I mentioned, it gives you the 720 option as well, or 480. I don't know why you'd want to do 480, but we're going to do 1080. You can save a copy to your SD card, and it says hit continue, and then it's going to give you the option to share your stream's link, which I will copy that, and just takes a couple moments to connect, and then it's going to give you the option here. It's going to say hit go live. Let's give that a minute. Alright, now go live. So we are live. It gives you your stream's health. Mention you copy the link. From here, I'm going to go to my Twitch channel and make sure that I'm live streaming. Let's see. And there we go. We're live. There's about a 15-second delay or so not too bad. And then let's see how you can turn the channel off. I believe you just click this, and it ends your live stream. So there we go. That's a quick tutorial on how to set your GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition up to do a live stream. As you see, I saved a copy to my SD card. You can view it on Twitch if you have your videos saved. And I'm going to come up with another video here on the YouTube streaming directly with your GoPro. And there's some issues going on with that, so I will go over all those issues. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.